Yep, so that's the view from the... Quit it, Crystal! The heck? What are you doing? Hey, come here. Crystal! Come here. See, this is how we do it, hanging out. And came back in here about 3 miles. Crystal, quit it. And just thought I'd show you the hammock setup real quick. Very toasty. Toasty cozy. See if I can show you. Well, first of all, this is the surroundings. There's Crystal. This is the view. And then this is the hammock setup. Backpack, got the rain tarp. I can fold it over the other side so it's a tent looking thing in case it rains. And that, my friends, let me tell you, is one very cozy little night's sleep. A lot of fun.